Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Ketenaga Kakak ke Sorka Jilla ubak wailat miki Shillong karpusan trigunai wing arajar arpusan kula pelipat ba ya CT scan bat ya MRI machine Shillong Civil Hospital and Medical College ya bala Beijing Arab Pisa da power grid bat Indian Oil Corporation Limited link baga corporate social responsibility. Hagan gasngina sa Shillong du Principal Secretary Ketenaga Dr. Sampat Kumar, Commissioner Secretary Dr. Joram Beda, Managing Director ka National Health Mission Rama Krishna Chituri, Economic Kmat ka Power Grid bat ki Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Joint Director of Health Services SS Dr. E.M. Pasa, ka Nursing Superintendent ka Kong W. Kindia ki Dr. Bakinong Toy Jong ka Hospital.
Due to the unavoidable circumstances, we couldn't have it yesterday. But I'm very happy and delighted that we could be here today to witness this historic moment in this hospital, in this inauguration of this CT and MRI diagnostic unit. Like I've already mentioned, we are very grateful to the IOCL and the Power Grid for their support through the CSR for this two important diagnostic unit, which the amount put all to both the diagnostic unit have come to almost 22 crores. And it is really the need of the hour. And once again, I would like to thank to both the PSUs for joining and helping the Meghalaya, the state government, especially the health department, in their efforts to give the accessible and the quality healthcare to the people of the state. With this diagnostic unit, I am very confident that we could increase our effort, and as we all know, and for most of you from the medical fraternity, we all know, to treat people, we need to have proper screening, the data and the report. So with this diagnostic unit, I hope that we will be able to give better service to the people of the state. And at the same time, as we all witness, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, Meghalaya is creating history after history. From having the first government medical college, which was the dream of all the citizens of the state. For this, I really like to congratulate the whole team who has put their effort in making this possible. And as I already mentioned, we are on a mission. As you have seen the kind of push the government is putting from giving 8% of the budget, from the total budget to the health department, from upgrading the infrastructure in whether in the cities or in the rural areas, and now focusing on producing more doctors, which is very important. And will continue to do so, and I am very confident under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and with the kind of team we are having right now with Dr. Zoram Beda, Sampal Kumar in the team. I am confident, but it's indeed a collective effort. We need to have a teamwork among ourselves, because health is a department which I used to say is no different from us politicians. Whatever you do, nobody will praise you. They will just see only the lapses. So, but it is an honor to be serving the people of the state.
Somewhere I feel that we have not, committed our full efforts what was befitting for a medical hospital like this. Civil hospital is a quaternary care center, and we should have given more efforts to make it as a state-of-art hospital. But that has never happened. Now with Shillong Medical College, it's even more imperative that this has to come out. In Bollywood there is a song, Apna Time Aayega. Now I think it's time for Shillong Medical College and this hospital and also Ganesh Das Hospital to really come up as a state-of-art multi-speciality hospital, sir. For your kind information, Honorable CM has already given us land, 2 acres on the left side, that is in Lady Hyde Park. But then it's our fault that we have not been able to take the full advantage, but we are on the process. And soon we plan to design a really befitting hospital for the Shillong Medical College and the Civil Hospital. What is this CSR? We must understand. Now we have 2 Maharatnas. Maharatnas are big companies, these are big PSUs. Many of them, I think their budget will be more than that of Meghalaya's, our budget also. So, as per the Section 135 of the Companies Act 2013, every company is supposed to invest 2% of their net profit in social responsibility. And this is a legal mandate. It's not at their whims and fancies. They are supposed to do it. Not just them, all the companies, private or public, they are supposed to do it. Sir, I was attending one meeting in Delhi organized by Ministry of Donor, and they wanted to encourage all the northeastern governments to avail this facility of CSR. So they conducted an awareness program for all the senior bureaucrats. I was amazed to see that my home state of Arunachal had the highest of around 250 plus crores of CSR. And there are no companies in Arunachal Pradesh, there are no industries. So that indicated that our establishment is not proactive in getting these benefits. And we had this discussion with our former Chief Secretary, D.P. Balan sir, who took a lead in ensuring that we should take full advantage of CSR. He even created a very small wing headed by the then additional Chief Secretary, Shakil sir, who is now the Chief Secretary, for CSR activities. And today, getting this MRI and CT scan, it's the result is a fructification of those efforts. And we are in the pipeline to get more such CSR. IOCL, maybe you are aware, your leadership from Delhi has already committed for another MRI. And REC has also committed trauma for CT scan for the trauma center. So there are many such projects in the offing. This particular IOCL and Power Grid project, it took us about 1.5 years. Initially we thought there will be a lot of resistance, a lot of inertia, but thanks to the officers in IOCL, we could get it done very quickly.
In the significant occasion of inauguration of and handing over of 128 slice CT scanner and MRI to Civil Hospital Shillong as a part of Power Grid's corporate social responsibility initiatives. The overall cost of the project of CT scanner was around 6.8 crore, which includes CT machine, workstations, servers, PS, chairs, cupboards, trolleys, etc. I am sure that such efforts will not only help provide better health infrastructure, facilities in the state of Meghalaya, but it will also lead to overall development of the society at large. Sir, you may be aware that Power Grid Corporation of India is a Maharatna Central PSU under the Ministry of Power, Government of India, which is primarily into the business of transmission of bulk power from across the country. Power Grid has been contributing to the society through its CSR interventions even before the CSR Act came into being. Through our CSR initiatives, we have undertaken various development projects in NER, Northeast region, and taking many more in the future. In the last 5 years, we have contributed around 65 crores in Northeast region. Mainly our primary thrust is healthcare, sanitation, rural development, education, sports, environment, empowering women, disaster management, livelihood, to name a few. Sir, the father of nation Mahatma Gandhi said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. And in the Power Grid we follow this model. Healthcare is one of our prime focus, and Power Grid constructed around 15 Vishram Sadans all across the country for arranging accommodation for family members of poor patients. They came with the patients, but they don't have any place to stay. So we constructed Vishram Sadans free of cost for the relatives of the patient, poor patients who don't have any place to stay while the patient is undergoing treatment. We also provided medical equipment and ambulances to various government hospitals across the country, distributed aid and appliances to persons with disabilities, and organized health camps in various parts of the country. During COVID, sir, Power Grid contributed 270 crores to PM CARES fund to support India's fight against the pandemic. We also distributed ration and meal packets to the needy, as well as PPE kits, masks, gloves, sanitizers to medical professionals, police personnel, and the front runners. Sir, in Northeast region, we have taken various projects, and we are planning to go for many more with the active association with the government of various states and especially Meghalaya. Our headquarters is located in Shillong, so we are more close to Meghalaya and other states also, of course. And in any year, construction of 153-bedded Vishram Sadan at Guwahati Medical College is one of the contribution. Construction of Power Grid Center for Capacity Development in Oncology at Barua Medical Center, Cancer Institute. providing advanced medical equipment related to neuro department at AIMS Guwahati, construction of 100-bed district hospital at Sachim, Mizoram, providing mobile medical unit and setting up 2-number teleconsultancy centers at Shillong and Cherrapunji to be operated by Ramakrishna Mission Charitable Dispensary, Shillong, providing medical equipment to Ganesh Das Government Medical, Maternal and Child Health Hospital, Shillong, construction of 25 kVA off-grid solar rooftop in Malindip Village, Riboi District, Meghalaya, to name a few. We in Power Grid are committed to developing the nation and our society through CSR initiatives. We also take up meaningful development projects in the future in the state of Meghalaya.